No, the shop closed because there's a virus. I online your mommy and daddy from the group. Yes, check it out. It's a birthday present. This one is from the group. I want first. Then from my hand one. She wants this one first. It's fixed. Have wheels. Now, how to open it? This side. Now, now we flip to our side. Now it opens. Okay. Look, it has buttons. If we take the one, it's gonna come up. Look. Mommy, look, mommy. See, if we would put the one here, it come up. Look.
Stickers.
This is a wrench. The wrench is turning.
Okay.
So we fixed it like that. Now this is a chop. The chop breaks wood, so the wood cracked. This is in wood. So the wood, we need 3 of them in the hole. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to find 4 of this. Cut by the chop. And we have the squirrels. If we take one wood, we can put in it. And now we have a screwdriver. The screwdriver screws everything. And we have another one. We take one wood to the other wood. So this is the last of these 2. And this is another screwdriver. And we have a small wood. The small wood prepared